And look what we just got in the mail, just in time for Christmas. The Mobula 7. I guess that's the way you pronounce it. And we're going to do, this is a quick unboxing, a quick honest review, and we'll do a flight. So what you got in the box, you have the Mobula 7. I'll tell you right off the bat, we were disappointed. These connectors came faulty. So we couldn't even get this to work. So I had some tiny whoop connectors laying around. We went ahead and connected them, got that to work. You got directions. You got 2 sets of batteries. This is all, I know you've all seen this. We're not going to beat a dead horse here. You got some props. You got a charger. You got the, I guess, the adapter here to run it on 1S. And that's the thing about this whoop. I guess you can run it on 1S or 2S. You know, we've heard some bad things about the frames. I can tell you right now, we did have faulty connectors, but I want to fly it. I want to see if it is as good as everyone says it is. So let's get it up in the air and let's get a flight in it. So there it is. If you can see in the flight video, the drone it's a lot of fun to fly. Okay, so honest review. The connectors they were a problem. You know, we had an issue with the battery. One of the battery pins pushed out. So we were actually using tiny whoop batteries to fly it. The frame, you know, there was a lot of issues about the frame. We hit that swing out there going pretty fast. It's kind of cool today. And we didn't have no brakes, no issues. You know, so I mean, it did well there. We did have some yaw spins and like washouts, but I think that's just from voltage sag. I believe that can be addressed with a different, you know, connector, which we're going to do something here different later. Man, this thing is a lot of fun to fly. I'm going to be honest with you. It is a lot of fun. It flies almost like a 5-inch. You got to get one. Get one and give it a shot. What they're saying is true. You know, it's a lot of fun. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and Merry Christmas, everyone.